my gosh, guys, I think my SixGill reels and rods are here. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right or not. I got the Hamar reel coming in. I got 2 of them, and I got a spinning rod and a casting rod. The reason why I got a spinning rod and a casting rod was because that was a mistake. I was supposed to get 2 casting rods, but I accidentally ordered a spinning rod. But that's okay. I like using spinning reels. I'm gonna try and see what a $100 spinning reel does. Ooh, look at them. It's got my rods coming out. Oh yeah. Check it out, guys. I got my rods in, and I will be doing an unboxing video on them soon. All right, guys, let's check them out. I'm gonna put them right here. We're gonna start with the casting rod. So this rod here is a $119 rod. It's a Kratos model. It's a medium heavy 7.3. The material on this rod is super nice. Feels really good. Very light. I honestly love it a lot. I mean, check out these rubber handles. I mean, dude, this thing is super nice, and I love it. Here is my spinning rod, and I believe this spinning rod here was $109. Now, I did buy one to get one free. Super nice. This is a medium heavy as well. 7-foot spinning rod. Very good material. This model is a Chuck model. Now, like I said, I accidentally ordered this one because I was gonna get a spinning reel, but I decided not to, and I left it on the cart. And so this is the one they gave me. Super nice, man, by SixGill. If you guys haven't checked out their website already, I suggest you go and check it out. They also gave me a sticker. This is definitely going on my boat. And also it's red and it matches a boat. So it is super hot outside, and I'm about to go fishing, but I want to slap this sticker on just to make it official. Call it a day. So let's put this on. All right, so I said I was gonna do it without cleaning the windshield, but I ended up getting some kind of rag to clean that up. And now I'm waiting for it to kind of dry. Here, let's do that little magic trick and use your sleeve. There you go, nice and clean. I'm not sure whether to put this here or right here. I think I'm gonna put it right there. Okay. There he goes. So, looks pretty good with the red boat. I'll be adding another sticker here, and then we're just gonna keep going until all the stickers are added and the whole windshield is filled with stickers. Right now, I'm headed to the lake. I wanna see if I can catch something. Sorry for my really messy yard. Okay, let's go. Let's put this up. My girl's gonna kill me. She's gonna ask me, what did I order? We're about to get married, so she's really gonna be upset. But hey, it was a buy one get one, and I wasn't about to miss out on that deal. Hopefully she understands that. But you know, girls are girls, man. No, I should probably go and throw that out somewhere else. Oh man, I'm kind of a little scared to leave this out here because I know my girl is gonna start tripping. Leave it right there. Okay, so let's go. You guys haven't checked this out. This is called a rod saver. They're $10 on Amazon. Hey, $10, can't beat it. The good thing about them is the fact that if you step on them, they won't hurt your toes. So anyways, let's go. I'm freaking shaking, dude. That's a big old ass. Dude, that's a giant. Woo! That's right, boy. Like a 5-pounder.